Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a long tail cast on. So you have your yarn and you have your knitting needles, and we will begin by making a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, wrap your yarn around your finger and then pull the yarn through the loop like that, and you have your slip knot. And then take your knitting needles and insert in that slip knot and tighten, and make sure it's not very snug on your needles because that will make it hard for you to knit. And this is the tail and this is the working yarn. So hold the tail and the working yarn, make a V with your pointer and your thumb like this, and then hold your yarn and then scoop from under your thumb and scoop from under your finger, and then drop that stitch and tighten on the knitting needles. So I'll demonstrate that again. So go under and then under and then drop that stitch. So keep going until you have enough stitches on your needles, and just make sure they are not so tight. Make sure you can move them like this, and that will make it easy for you to knit. So you're gonna keep going until you have the stitches that your pattern calls for. And there you have it. That's how you do a long tail cast on.